Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. Today we will talk about how to fix the soil's pH level in your yard. This video will explore the most effective ways to improve soil pH in your yard, so please watch to the end to learn how. Measuring the pH of your soil. Before fixing your yard soil, first you need to know the soil's pH level to determine the remedy to be applied. To measure soil pH, you must conduct a soil test using home test kits and a pH meter, or send a soil sample to a professional lab for testing. If the pH is within 6.0 to 7.0, you do not need to fix it as it is already within the ideal level. However, if the reading is above 7.2 or below 5.5, you must lower or raise the pH to ideal levels. Raising soil pH. Plants are susceptible to low pH conditions due to the acidity associated with it. You can raise the pH of your yard soil in the following ways. 1. Using liming material. Limestone application raises the soil's pH, transforming it from acidic to basic. Finer ground limestone works better compared to granular limestone. Nevertheless, you can use hydrated lime for the same purpose. 2. Adding wood ash. Wood ash contains high amounts of calcium and potassium, which raise soil pH. Although ash may not be as effective quickly as limestone, continuous application can yield the same results. 3. Add baking soda. Baking soda provides a good alternative if you're looking for something that will not harm the plants sensitive to lime. Baking soda will gradually increase pH levels when continuously applied. Lowering soil pH. Lowering soil pH provides an optimal condition for plants sensitive to extreme basicity. The following practices can help reduce soil pH. 1. Adding sulfur. Sulfur lowers soil pH by introducing biological reactions from bacteria. This will take time to happen, hence periodic application is needed. 2. Adding aluminum sulfate. Aluminum sulfate offers a quick solution to basic soils since it lowers pH levels instantly through chemical reactions. However, you need to apply the right amount so as not to drop the pH too much, making the soil acidic. 3. Adding organic materials. Organic materials break down in the soil during decomposition, releasing organic acids that can lower soil pH. This method will take time since the materials must break down and release the acids. So, there you have it guys, that is how you can fix the pH of your garden soil. If you have any questions, please comment on this video. Till next time.